Hi, let's save some money on right sizing, and this time with EBS volumes. This section should be quite easy to understand and to fix. Let's dive in. First, what EBS matrix can I right size? So in GP3 and I1, I2 volume types, you are being charged for IOPS and or throughput. So as you can see in the price details here, for GP2 volumes, I'm only paying for storage. But for GP3, I'm paying for storage, IOPS, and throughput. So IOPS, or input-output operations per second, measures the speed at which data can be read and written to the storage device, with higher IOPS indicating faster performance. But maybe I don't need that much performance here. Throughput refers to the amount of data measured in megabytes per second in AWS that can be transferred to or from a storage device in a given amount of time. To detect them, you can go directly to AWS Billing Service and Bills section. You click on Elastic Compute Cloud and a region, and then you search for GP3 or IO1, IO2 lines. So this is my full price for my EBS in a region. You can see that I'm paying for snapshot, for GP3 storage, and for GP2 storage. But I have no lines for IOPS or for throughput, which means I'm not paying from them, and this is good. To find them all, you can go directly into Cost Optimization Hub savings opportunities, and you can filter by EBS volumes here, and recommended action equals to right size. So you can see here that between the current resource summary and the recommended resource summary, the storage are not changed here, but the IOPS here, it's 16,000 here, and the recommended value is 3,000. So it's a minimum value. Because 3,000 is free, I'm not gonna pay for IOPS anymore. And same thing for throughput here. This value here is a minimum, so I'm not gonna pay anymore for this. You can see also the estimated savings percentage here for each difference. You can also use Compute Optimizer here, and you're gonna see for the same thing, the option, which is keeping the same GP3 volume, but changing the IOPS here to a new value and the throughput here to a new value. To fix it, you simply have to right size your EBS volumes. So this is really easy because there is no downtime, because the change is managed in the background by AWS. So simply go to EC2 service, then volume section, you select one volume, then you click on action, modify volume, and then you can change the volume type if you want to upgrade it at the same time. But you can also change the IOPS here, put the minimum versions here, and throughput, you can also put the minimum value if you don't want to pay for throughput.